What's Broby doing?
It's down. Way down. This.
Wow.
You hit that big noggin, huh?
Probably in me.
Yeah, Broby and me know.
Friends forever.
BFF.
Daddy say down, right?
Yeah.
Way down.
Said hike. Tackle Broby. Yeah.
What's Broby gonna do now?
Sesame.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My nose down. One, two, four, get. Ready, get. Yeah, Mommy. Please go. Put it down.
He fall down.
Yes.
Oh, now he's staying up nice.
House hug.
Can you give him a hug? Oh, what about a kiss? Oh, oh, nice. Say love you. Love you, Broby.
Put it down. Let's go. I go. I go.
I got it. I got it.
Go.
I got it. Are you okay?
Yes.
Who do you have there?
Who's that?
Bobby.
And who else?
Rex.
Yeah.
Physics. Let's see book. Let's see book.
I don't know. Where's his stuff? That's not his land. That's Broby's land. Here, put him on here.